The last part of the gameplay is if you don't hit a mine or you don't hit a number and you hit a free block, you want to show all the blocks that are contiguous around this free block or that are adjacent. So we're going to use something in computer science called stack. So we're going to look around, we're going to keep on adding the free blocks to the stack and then keep on popping them one by one. So the stack works like this. You put something on the stack and you keep on putting something, and then you could take it out from the top. So we're going to be processing this whole system with a stack. So I can see now we're popping. So we're going to be putting on these free blocks, right? And so when we stop, the way we're going to stop is we're going to say, is this a number? Well, we're not going to go any further, right? So as soon as you hit a number, that will be it. So all these blocks should be revealed when you click one of these free ones. Let's uncomment. So let's go back just to double check on this. So we're inside the process left click, right? We took care of the condition where the block is playable. If it has a mine, we end the game. We did that. If it has a mine count greater than 0, we just revealed that block, no problem. And now this is the rest of that part where we're going to reveal all those blocks that don't have any mines. So we're going to start this coroutine, reveal contiguous blocks. It's a little complicated, right? But I told you about the stack. So we're going to start with the stack. We're going to put the first click block on it, and then we're going to start the process. So the process is pretty simple, right? We pop the block, if there are any blocks. We reveal the mine count on the block. So it could be 0, it could be a number, right? And we set it to not playable anymore. So as soon as we pop something, it's not playable. We also keep count of how many blocks were revealed, right? Every time we reveal a block, we increase that. And then we check to make sure that if it doesn't have any mines on it, we want to continue the process of adding more blocks. So we find all the blocks around it, and this is that step where we get all the blocks around it, as long as there are not mines and they're in play, and we add them to the stack. So this will keep on adding and adding, only up to the point where you only have 0 for mines, right? So, and there's a little delay over here. So this is the function reveal contiguous mines, right? And let's test it out. So I'm going to go over here, I'm going to play, and I'm still showing the mines. So this is the first mine, and you see it already did its job because this one had no mine on it, right? So it just revealed all of those. This one has a mine, so well, actually this one didn't have a mine. This one doesn't have a mine either, so it's going to reveal everything around it. And these have mines, so this is going to show them or show the number. So the only thing left now is the end of game if you win, right? If you win, meaning you revealed all the blocks that don't have mines on it.